do I have something special for you today. This is a 69 Camaro ZL1 Tribute. A lot of you are asking me right now, what is a ZL1? ZL1 is Chevy's answer to the Can-Am racing cars. They are big blocks. They were made to handle it in the turn. They were fabulous road cars. They did fantastic. Now, that being said, they are big block cars. This is a 454, 30 over, 425 horsepower. It is balanced and blueprinted, mated to a turbo 400 transmission and a Chevy 12-bolt rear end. At the time of this video, it has exactly 10 miles on it. So, it is all new. Every nut and bolt on the car is new and it's ready for you. It has all the chalk marks, has all the decals. Everything that would have been on the ZL1 is on this car. So when you take it to the show, somebody's looking at it, it's all there. Now, you're asking about the ZL1s. They only made 69 of those. So unless you have $1 million, you are not getting a ZL1. This Tribute is as close as you're going to get, and it's all done, it's beautiful, and it's ready for you. I know you're going to have tons of questions. Give me a call. My name is Sean. This is Panther Road Classics. We're located in Edmonds, Washington. Follow us on Facebook and YouTube. Let's get to this absolutely stunning ZL1 Tribute. Isn't she absolutely beautiful? She is everything I said that she would be. At the time of this video, she has 10 miles on her. That means every nut and bolt. She is beautiful and she is ready. Give me a call. I'll be glad to talk to you. My name is Sean. This is Panther Road Classics. We're located in Edmonds, Washington. Follow us on Facebook and YouTube. My website is pantherroadclassics.com. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.